Hello, friends. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is about ninja bun, or can I call it top knot bun? I'm starting with a stretch here, which is not necessary for this style. I will link below how I stretch my natural hair on the description box if you're interested. I apply some water to my hair for the gel I will be using. I use my DIY flaxseed gel. You can use any gel of choice or no gel at all. If you're interested, I will link below how I made my flaxseed gel. I brush my hair to make it look neater. I use an old hair tie to secure my hair up.
You want now, feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now, or is it because you can't forget?
I will be using an express hair braid.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now.
The secret is to twist and keep it under the bun. It will keep rising as another one is getting underneath. Do not worry, it's not going to come off because you already secured it initially.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, you're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go.
Let me know on the comment section below if you like ninja bun and what you think about it. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. XOXO. Bye.